Alright guys, I'm gonna build my
open
own
the
PC.
motherboard.
Okay, this is my motherboard. Ta-da.
Doesn't even know any other specs.
For real though.
Okay. So this is what you're gonna do. Okay. You're gonna take this out. They say it's a bad idea to build PCs on the carpet. But in all the times I've built a PC or upgraded my PC, it's all on the carpet and had zero issues. Okay. It's your motherboard, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, next. CPU.
Line up the triangles together.
Yes.
So remove this.
Yep.
Is it like that?
Okay, first of all, where does the CPU go into?
That one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. So you open the thing. Alright?
Yeah. Oh wait.
Oops. Don't drop the CPU. It's a bad idea.
It says don't drop it after he drops it.
Okay. So see, there's a triangle there, okay?
Okay.
You have to line it up to the other triangle. Okay.
Does it matter which way it is?
Yeah, that's why you need the triangle. Okay, you have to open this first. You open it.
This one?
I don't know.
Okay, open.
Okay, line up the triangle. Where's the triangle, Joanna? Where's the triangle?
There?
You sure?
Yeah.
The triangle's there.
That's what I said. Triangle.
Okay, go put it in.
This one?
Yeah, line up the triangles. Okay. Now what?
Close it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm nervous to press it down. Just close it like that?
Yeah.
Why is it so tough?
Just do it.
Okay.
It's not all the way, bro.
Oh, there.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Let's get your RAM out here.
So I have this thing. I know nothing about the specs, okay? Don't judge. Then I think these are SSDs.
Okay, so this is your RAM.
Okay.
Put in the RAM.
Oi.
A2B2.
What does A2B2 mean?
It's the slot that you have to put it in.
Are they the same thing?
Yeah. So this one, that one.
Like that?
Just line it.
Just line it.
Okay, go put it in. I'll do it for you.
You're about to. And then close it?
No.
This one? Is this the right place? And then close it?
No, you push it down.
Push it down?
Yeah.
Like that?
No, clicks.
Oh, I'm being too soft with it because I'm nervous to break it.
Okay, now the M.2s. One, the two.
Yeah, I would never guess that's where it goes.
Okay. Just part delicate. I'm gonna do it for you.
Yes, thank you. Oh, like that.
Hold this. Give it.
Yeah.
Peel those off. Stick tape on.
So you don't need this? Just the holder?
Okay, so first you open up the panels with the thumb screws here. Oh, it's actually kind of high quality.
Yeah. What, you don't have that?
No. It's like the little
Oh,
things.
you can remove it if you want.
No, because I could do that too.
Oh.
Oh, that's a pretty nice touch.
What is?
Out of the way. put it to the side. Okay. Let's put this one, same thing. Oh, this screw out. What? Where did this come from?
Oh yeah. Where did it come from? Oh yeah.
Okay. Move that to the side.
Should I hold on to it? Will it go crashing down?
It's up to you. I was gonna let it fall anyways. Not my PC.
Bruh.
No, we're here. Okay, screw the rest on. You're building the PC, not me.
This one?
Yeah.
Is it even? Can it go?
So this one's gonna go like this. Okay, something like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can go put it. Screw it in. Make it go to the top bit.
So like here?
Hmm.
Or higher? The toppy top like that?
We'll adjust it later when everything's inside.
Like that? Am I doing this right?
No, you want to put in the others first.
Oh.
Or at least this one. This one. You always fans, you want to do horizontal so you don't have to hold it anymore. You want to put your motherboard in.
Should I remove this?
No, we could do that later. Ow. Okay, see this, that, this over here, and there's one over there. You want to screw those in, okay? Now go.
Doesn't matter where I start.
No. But my best advice is don't tighten them all the way yet until they're all seated, or else it's going to be hard to move the motherboard. Next, we're going to put in your radiator. It's important we don't touch that, okay?
Okay.
You know what this is called?
What?
It's called your CPU cooler. Open these. Okay, so this is the pump. This is the radiator. It works the same way as a car radiator.
What's the reason you don't touch the top?
This stuff here, the gray stuff, it's called thermal paste.
How long does it normally take to build a PC?
Hour? 3 hours?
Yeah.
2, 3, depends. how difficult you're having.
This is what he's screwing in now.
Do I want to lower that though? Let me see that. Hold this. This. So you have an option here, Joanna.
This is where we at.
So for this plate here, you can have this one with lines, or you can have just like this.
I like the clean.
This one?
Yeah. Is it too much work to change it or no?
I'm just trying to think of how to put this on.
Update. That's what it looks like now.
I want to like curve this down or something, or like bend this away.
Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, now we will plug in everything. Okay, so this is where we're at now. Thanks, Kuya. There it is, the first time turning it on. Thanks, Kuya. Okay, so now it's on. We're still gonna close it and stuff, but the RGB is so pretty. Okay, peeling it.
It's yours.
Is that even satisfying? Ta-da!
So you took a video of it with it on.
Yes, but without the covers though. Is that just a... Oh, yeah. Wow.
Look at the front.
Ooh. Yeah. RGB was the move. No?
Just made it more expensive.
I know. It will, but oh well. We're paying for the aesthetic pretty much. Okay, thanks, Kuya.